Welcome back. If you saw our last video, you know we built out a powerful secure Python Django backend for the Rafa Bethel school management system. We covered everything from student records and role-based permissions to financial tracking and communication modules. If you missed it, you can find the link to that backend video in the descriptions. But a strong database is only half the battle. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the front end. I'm going to walk you through this clean, responsive, and highly intuitive user interface we designed to sit on top of that Django architecture. We are turning all that complex backend data into an enterprise-grade experience for administrators, teachers, parents, bosses, and owners. Let's get into it. This isn't just a tutorial project. This is a solution for a real-world problem. We have digitalized everything from admissions to complex fee collection. I'll show you exactly how I solved major pain points like preventing duplicate payments and handling bilingual records for both English and French. When you first log in, securely authenticated against that user groups we established previously, you are greeted by the main admin dashboard. Notice the clean, flat design. We moved away from the cluttered, overwhelming look typical of old school software. On the left, we have a highly organized, collapsible navigation sidebar. This directly maps to the core models from our backend: the students, the staff, academics, attendance, and finance. Right at the top center, we have our critical metric cards. In a single glance, a school principal can see total active students, today's attendance percentages, pending invoices, and total collected revenue. Below that, we've integrated clean data visualizations like a 7-day attendance trend line and a birthday tracker, pulling dynamically from the student records we track in the MySQL database. Because we set up distinct user roles and permissions in our backend, the administrators, the teachers, the secretaries, parents, bosses, owners, and proprietors, they have different dynamic front-end needs that are adapted. If we jump over to my dashboard under the staff menu, the user interface shifts entirely. This is a teacher's personalized workspace. Instead of high-level school revenue, the focus here is strictly on action. They see my classes today and quick actions to instantly mark attendance, for instance, or view their specific student rosters. By isolating the workspace for each user, we drastically reduce cognitive overload and make the software frictionless to use on a daily basis. Security is paramount here. Depending on who logs in, the system adapts. A bosser needs to see financial trends and outstanding debts immediately. A teacher, they need their class list and attendance sheets. For an admin, like myself currently logged in, you get the God view, a bird's eye view of the entire school's health. This is also useful for proprietors and owners. By using role-based access control in the Django backend, we ensure everybody has exactly the tools they need and nothing they don't. Now, moving into the student management. Each student has a unique ID and a comprehensive profile. Everything from parent contacts to medical info, class history, all included. Because this is for a school that is bilingual in Cameroon, the system supports records in both English and French. Whether it's tracking attendance or assigning students to sections or classes, the user interface is designed to be snappy and intuitive. We're pulling this data directly from a MySQL production database to ensure that even with thousands or hundreds of thousands of students, the search remains instant. Now, let's talk about the heart of the system, the finance module. This is where we solved one of the biggest headaches for the school administrators. In the past, parents might accidentally be charged twice for the same mobile money or bank transfer. So I built a duplicate payment prevention system to stop this. Now, when recording a payment, the system automatically pulls the invoice balance so you don't overcharge. It validates the amount. You literally can't pay more than what is owed. And there's a transaction log. So it checks the transaction ID. If the ID has been used before, the system flags it immediately. There's a refund logic, so if a refund is necessary, the system correctly restores the invoice balance in real time. This level of validation gives parents peace of mind and saves the school hours of accounting reconciliation. Beyond the numbers, we have a full staff portal for leave management, subject assignments, plus the parental portal as well. Parents can log in to view their child's progress, check invoices, submit feedback, and most especially, report cards are integrated into the system. We've even integrated SMS and announcement modules so the school can blast urgent notifications to everyone's phone with a single click. Building this project for Rafa Bethel was an incredible journey in solving real-world operational bottlenecks. If you're a developer learning Django, I highly recommend building projects for local businesses. It's the best way to learn. I've dropped the link in the description. You can explore it more, as well as check out learnitfree.com, where you see other projects that I've developed. If you represent a school or a business in need of a custom digital architecture like this one, reach out to us at B2DK LLC. We build software that works just for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more project work tools and visit learnitfree.com for thousands of free IT books and training resources. Let me know in the comments what features should I include in this project, what software should I build next. Thanks for watching. This is B2DK and you already know.